Hello all and welcome back. Today we are going to be creating a new garden with our new tiller. The garden that we already have, we did it by shovel and it was super hard. So we're trying to see if we've discovered something by using a tiller to make it a little easier this time. Here's our previous garden that we did. I know the cardboard boxes don't look pretty, but they help keep those weeds out. So this is the one that we created with the shovel, and this took forever, y'all. So I got this bad boy Sun Joe tiller, and we're gonna put it to work. This is the before. I want to do about 4 rows here. Got a lot of stuff in the greenhouse that needs to come out and go into the ground, so we're out of room over here. So new garden coming soon.
I have done a little bit already, and this is going to be hard, but hey, I'm getting my exercise in. From the directions, we're supposed to tilt it upward to get more of a deeper effect in the ground. So, here we go.
I found a little trick. If you put your foot right behind it and then dive in, you can go a little deeper.
Good or not? Can you just do this one so I can record it? Yeah.
This in 2 hours. 2 hours later, this is how the soil looks. That's 4 rows in 2 hours. That's not bad.
Compared to months of this.
Compared to months and months of digging over there with the no-till method. But we've got our tiller now, and we made this happen. So garden number 2 in full effect. Let us know what you think. Any questions that you might have. Subscribe, link, share. You know the drill. Bye for now.